Fire! Fire! Shoot that vehicle!
Quick, quick, comrades.
The machine gun, the machine gun.
It might look like an ordinary truck, but it's actually a pickup packed with explosives and driven by a suicide bomber. Filmed from another angle by a Kurdish fighter, the IS driver hurtles towards our position.
It's okay, stop.
A suicide bomber tried to attack us, but my comrades managed to kill him.
I'm thrilled. It was me that hit him.
Well done, my friend.
But in reality, it was this anti-tank missile launcher supplied by the coalition that destroyed the truck and saved the day.